Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sensational Locks, and I'm coming at you with a quick video showing you how I install instant locks on this young king's crown. Alright, so this young man has been wanting locks all summer long, and his mom has started him a few times with comb coils, but you know, kid life, they would soon unravel with swimming and his activities, so she opted for some instant locks, and he decided he was going to commit, so we're just going to go ahead and get him started. First things first, you want to section the hair so that you can go ahead and part it. I want to go ahead and part and separate each lock and know where that's going to be before I get started in crocheting. Lock to part ratio is so important when you're starting out, guys. It's going to affect the longevity of your locks and just the overall look of your lock styles that you can have in the future. He's going to have 54 locks, and they are parted and laid in a brick pattern so they fall like window panes. So that's going to make styling for his mother a lot easier in the future. And then I'm already hopping into it. As you guys can see, I'm using a combination of the new double needle crochet hook and the single needle. And if you guys haven't seen my review comparing the two side by side, then you guys have to check that out. I will put the link to it in the description box below. It's a complete game changer. For this next part, I want you guys to pay close attention to the conversation we're having. He's telling me about how painless it is and how quick we're going, and he just doesn't feel anything. The fan is a little obnoxious, so bear with us through that.
How are you doing? Say, what are you doing?
What am I doing?
I'm creating new locks. Just like, and that's a look. You like it?
You don't feel it?
No.
That's good, right? It shouldn't hurt you.
I don't feel anything.
Good.
I just hear noise.
But you gotta put your head down, because I am doing something. And you're messing me up because you keep putting your head up. I don't know how many times I had to tell him to put his head down. I should release the full length video of this, and it could be a drinking game. Every time I tell him to put his head down, y'all take a shot. But we are breezing through this using that new double needle crochet hook. I'm telling y'all, sis, everybody, bruh, it's a game changer. The total time it took me to actually install all 54 of these and crochet them was about 4 hours and 30 minutes, and that is dealing with a 7-year-old who wouldn't keep his head straight the entire time. And as you can see, they're really stiff when I'm done, but after a quick wash they are a lot more relaxed. And then I did just go ahead and give him a light retwist so that his roots were a little bit more maintained, and so that his mom could go ahead and style as she desired. And this is what he looks like all done. We had a happy little client here. He was really pleased, guys. It didn't hurt at all, and he was surprised about that. And then his mom did go ahead and interlock his roots, which I thought was a brilliant idea. It looks fantastic. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you're not missing any of my uploads as soon as I put them out there. And if there's anybody in the Kansas City area who wants to get themselves a set of Sensational Locks, my booking information is also in the description box. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.